Alright, so we are now going to assemble a heated probe. What I have here is a 50 centimeter long constant wire where I've stripped both ends, similar to how we did in the thermocouples. We're going to take one of the thermocouples we just made and this heating wire and try to thread all three wires through the needle, which can be a little bit difficult. The key here, we don't want to try to force anything. If you feel some resistance, just kind of pull the needles back out. Sometimes you'll have some of the wires that start going up through the window. If that happens, you can just kind of pull them back out, twist them around a little bit, and you should be able to get them through. Alright, so I got all my wires through here now. I want to figure out which one is the heating cable. There we go. I'm going to get my thermocouple positioned at the end of the needle here. Okay, so I have my heating wire. I'm going to leave, about that much. A scientific that much term. And then what we're going to do is pull on the thermocouple until we see the thermocouple in the window. To do this, it's nice to have this magnifying lit glass thing. So I'm going to kind of look in here, watch it. Alright, so I see the thermocouple is now in the window. One of the important tests that we have to do now is make sure that the metal of that thermocouple is not touching the metal of the needle. That's why we put super glue over the thermocouple when we were building the thermocouples. Try to insulate it from the needle. To do this, you want to take one of the thermocouple wires. I usually use the blue one because I'm positive it's part of the thermocouple and not the heating wire, and touch it to the needle. So I just got a reading, which means that it's not insulated, so I have to pull it back out, put another some more super glue on the thermocouple and try again. But if it were to be insulated, we had no reading, it just read that, we would just take some super glue and put it in the window. I'll go ahead and do it just so you can see. Actually, I'm not going to do that, it'll be a waste, but yeah, we can do another one. You just put a few drops of super glue in there, and then we'll let it dry.
Alright.
And